Where do we go from here?
You make a left at the signal.
Oh, okay. So it's a left. Okay. I couldn't see. I couldn't really tell.
Come here, little fishy. I want to eat you. Now you see why I wanted that clear kayak, right?
Yeah.
Oh, look it. I have 2 dragonflies right here with me. They're blue. They match our canoe or kayak.
Look at it. It's deep here.
Huh?
It's deep here.
Yeah, it's deep. Well, it's deep in a lot of spots. But let's get these dragonflies. Hi, little dragonflies. You're so blue today. Oh, there's a fish. We've seen, what, 3 kinds of fish already? At least, types.
A little bit of maneuvering.
What is that? What does that sign say? You are in Weeki Wachee State Park. Stay in your vessel. State of Florida rules. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Oh, there's a striped fish. Don't hide from me.
Oh, look at it.
What kind of bird is that?
Don't tell me he's gonna go for the fish.
Yeah, that's what he eats.
No shit.
I don't think he caught one though. What kind of bird is he? Look at his little beak.
Look at him. He's swimming underwater.
Awesome.
Look, that one you can take a picture of.
Where?
Right there. The damn sign.
Oh. Well, I got a picture of the other one. I don't care about the signs. I already got one. Oh, damn. This is so cool. 2-hour trip. This is like Gilligan's Island. For a 2-hour tour.
Oh, 3 hours.
So if we get a storm, the weather started getting rough. The tiny ship was tossed. If not for the courage of the fearless crew, the minnow would be lost. Here's a fish. It's a school. See him? The whole school of fish. What was that?
I don't know.
A fish jumped out of the water.
Shut up.
Yeah. He jumped right out in front of us. You know how one jumped in the boat and it was on you? Maybe they want to eat us. We're in their territory. Okay, you need me to drive?
Row.
Oh! We're
Row.
gonna die!
Row.
Okay, we're safe, I think. More fish. Those are the striped ones. No, those are not striped. They're just shinier. They're different. So I didn't know whether this trip was like all in the sun.
Row.
And it's not. It's mostly in the shade. Okay. Woo! Ooh, it's deep here too. We could have died. It's deep. Look how deep it is. Oh, there's some more fish. I got a whole school of them.
Oh, yeah.